Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, today I'm to show you about a clock. You know what is a clock? A clock means jam. Jam dinding. Okay, people always call jam dinding a clock. Kalau jam tangan, a watch. Kalau jam loceng, alarm clock. Kalau jam yang digital, yang ada nombor. Okay, now I want to show you this clock. You know this clock? It has a round shape. Okay. Here is number 12. And then here is number 6, 3, 9, 1, 2. This one between 3 and 6 kat tengah-tengah dia ni. 4, 5. After 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. So, one day you have 24 hours. Okay? Satu hari dah ada 24 jam. But in 1 hour, do you know how many minutes? 1 jam berapa minit? Okay, 1 hour you have 60 minutes. Okay, here how to count 60 minutes? Macam mana kita nak kira 1 jam ada 60 minit? Okay, from here, from number 12 to number 1, you have 5 minutes. Okay, I change the color. You have 5 minutes. For example, from here, from number 12, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this one 5 minutes. Yang ini ada 5 minit. Okay. Lepas tu, 5 minutes. Okay, kat sini 5 minutes. From here, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, this is 10 minutes. Ini dah 10 minit kan? Okay, here, after 10, 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 minutes. And then 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 minutes. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 minutes. Okay, here 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 minutes. Okay, continue. Sambung. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So, this one is 35 minutes. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40 minutes. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 minutes. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50 minutes. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. 55 minutes. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, yang ini cukup dah 60 minutes. So, 1 hour you have 60 minutes. 1 jam ada 60 minit. Okay. Now, if I ask you this question, this is a shorthand. Jarum pendek kita panggil shorthand. This is a long hand. Jarum panjang. Okay, when you look at this, what's the time? Or what time is it? You can ask, what's the time? Or what time is it? what time is it? Or what time is it now? Sekarang pukul berapa? Okay, in English book year 3, you had learned what's the time. You also can ask what time is it or what time is it now. Okay, look at here. What's the time? It's 1 o'clock. Okay, this one. It's 1 o'clock. Nampak ni? Number 1. 1 o'clock. Okay. Okay, look at here. 1 o'clock. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. Or you can ask, what's the time? It's 5 o'clock. What's the time? It's 6 o'clock. What's the time? It's 7 o'clock. What's the time? It's 8 o'clock. What's the time? It's 9 o'clock. What's the time? It's 10 o'clock. Or you can ask, what time is it now? It's 11 o'clock. What time is it now? It's 12 o'clock. Okay? But now I want to teach you the different way to tell about the time. Sekarang saya ajar cara macam mana nak bagi tahu cara yang lain. Okey. Sekarang kita abaikan yang ni. Okey, kita tukar jarum dia. The long hands here at number 6. Okay, in Malay we call it, dalam bahasa Melayu kita panggil pukul 1.30 atau 1.30. What is 1.30 in English? What is setengah? Setengah in English. Okay, setengah. Setengah ni setengah. 1/2. Setengah. Setengah in English, half. Half, okay? Half. Okay, dia ni dalam bahasa Melayu pukul 1.30. Kenapa 1.30? Kenapa setengah? Because, for example, this clock is in round shape like a cake. Jam ni bulat macam kek kan? Okay, potong setengah. You cut the cake into half. Potong setengah. Potong setengah bahagi 2 kan? Sebab tu panggil 1.30. Sebab nombor 6 ni jadi setengah. Jadi kalau setengah ni in English, half. Half. Jadi kalau 1.30, setengah selepas pukul 1. Setengah selepas pukul 1. In English, we call it half past 1. Okay, half past 1. Maksudnya pukul 1.30. Samalah tu. Atau ada orang panggil 1.30. 1.30. 1.30. Tapi nak best sikit sebut half past 1. Kalau half past 2 pukul berapa agak-agak? Half past 2, 2.30 or 2.30. Okay, sekarang kita tunjuk. Kita belajar half-half. Kita sebut half. Okay? Okay, look at number 2 and look at number 6. Okay, this one. Half past 2 and then half past 3, half past 4, half past 5, half past 6, half past 7, half past 8, half past 9, half past 10, half past 11, half past 12. Maksud half past 12, setengah jam selepas pukul 12. Maksudnya 12.30, half past 12. Setengah jam selepas pukul 12. Okey? Okay, I hope you can understand this different way how to tell the time. Besides, you tell, for example, 1:30, you can say 1:30, pukul 1:30. Okay, thank you.